What's up, you guys? Today I'm going to be decorating my first week in July for my vertical big happy planner. So this one is undated, so I'm going ahead and adding the dates just with some black ink, and then I went in and wrote July. So for this one I did do a very summery theme. I think everyone who owns any of the sticker books knows the page I pulled all these stickers out of. So I started off with the lemonade sticker, and that really set the tone. One little trick I do is I oftentimes don't have stickers that will fit for the big happy planner, but they'll fit for the classic. So what I like to do is just kind of center those, and then I'll put another one over top of it, kind of decorating it. I also included a little list for Friday because I have a lot going on this weekend, and that's kind of where my day or my week really picks up. Most of the rest of this week is pretty chill, so I did focus a lot on decorations. And then of course the 4th is 4th of July, which is Independence Day here in America. So I went and put in that sticker, and it says Sweet Land of Liberty, and I cut off the little bits that were overlapping so it kind of looks like it was meant to fit in there. And so I really went for a minimal 4th of July spread. I really wanted to focus on this being the first week of July and just enjoying that, we're officially halfway through the year now. And like I said, I went back and put a sticker on top of that yellow block just to kind of break it up a little bit. And I was really feeling the fruit on this one. So I added cherries and watermelons and lemons. And of course it's summer, so you have to get those sun stickers in there too. So what I really like to do is trim stickers so that they kind of look like they're built into that square. And I won't do it with all of them because obviously I want it to overlap sometimes, but on the stickers that I end up trimming, I really do like the effect. And I just use these little tweezers to help me pull it off of the page after I've used my X-Acto knife. And then this sticker did come from a memory keeping book, so it was big enough to fit on the big planners. So I just covered up the line for the second box, or for the last box, and then just kept it kind of as a nice pop to bring in the green from the watermelon. And then I put a little box over top of it because I do have something going on Sunday. And at first I wasn't too sure where to put these sunglasses, but I really knew I wanted them in here, and I ended up going with 4th of July just because, it's a very summery holiday, it's a very outdoorsy holiday, so I decided that would fit. And then I think everyone has seen this sticker, the savor the sweet moments of sunshine and summer, and I just love it. I think it really fits this whole spread, and it ties in the lemonade. So this sticker, I did something a little different that I haven't done before. So I ended up trimming off the corners so that it fit in that box, right? But then I decided that I didn't want to just throw away half of a sticker basically. So what I did after I got it off, and it was definitely taking a little while because I wanted to be really careful and make sure it didn't rip. I ended up putting it on the bottom left corner of my spread, and I really like the way it turned out. I think it ties in the whole summer, and it just looks great. And of course I had to get a couple more cherries in here, couldn't just leave them out. And there's my spread for the week. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to tune in next week when I go over my spread and a whole bunch of other planners. Follow me on Instagram @CastlePlans, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you again. Bye.